Ndoka niguo ngoroge kumenyithia mohoro ma inoro miaraho ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia na tukiambiriria family 11 gatagati ka 21 iria ciana cio ciahirire mwaki-ini wa thukuru wa Hillside mwaka muhituku kwa ihinda riri ciunganite kanitha-ini wa Consolata Cathedral taũni-inĩ ya Nyeri igongona-ini ria kĩririkano gia ciana ciao. Aciari aya matunganite guku mwaka umwe thutha wa mwaki ucio kiriro kiao kinene ari anja iria merirwo ni thirikari cigie kiria gia cungiriirie mwaki nyumba-ini ya toro ya imwana muthenya ta wa umuthi mwaka muhituku na riu tuguthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia kanitha-ini ucio wa Consolata kuria igongona riu rĩrathiĩ na mbere. Tuthikiriria maria marahanika ihinda-ini riri.
He was really good friends with Timothy. Timothy was his best friend, and he used to come home, tell us a lot. Alikuwa mpaka anakuja kwangu, anakatalia kwangu kwa nyumba. And once I remember all those, it really hurts me, sana. And even what hurts the most is the fact that we've never gotten justice. These are young, innocent souls that, kusema ukweli, the government should have not stopped until they found justice for them. And to be honest, I'm a Gen Z. Lakini ingekuwa ni Gen Z wenzangu, tungetokea kwa barabara, tuende tukai-seek justice. But these are young children. They don't have, hakuna mtu, wao wenyewe hawezi fikiria kutoka huko nje. They go and seek justice for their friends. And so, me personally, I would like to just plead with the government. Let's just find justice for these kids. It pains us, not only for the parents, also as our siblings. We also shared a special bond with our brothers. So, it's hard, it's painful. I still can't get over the fact that it's now 1 year. Because if I had the power, I would turn back the clock to 4th of September 2024. If I had the power. Because it's not easy. And if there's something that I can never even get off from my mind, it's what I saw at Narumoro. That site, And no one can ever convince me that it was just a bulb. Hiyo ni uongo. That, I cannot. Personally, I feel like this, okay, for the parents, me personally, I've even been pushing my mom. My mom was at Kameme TV yesterday. Just because of me. I always push her. Day in, day out. Jumi naonanga ni kama walienda wakaambiwa what happened, but she's not telling me. I'm always like, I really need justice for my brother. I really need to know what really happened. Afadhali hata tukiwa tukijua, maybe we will heal, knowing what happened, knowing why it happened, what caused it. But no, we're just in the dark. No one is telling us anything. No one is saying anything. Yani tuko tu. Alafu wakatuachilianisha. Because after the burial, nothing, totally nothing. Is that fair? That's not really fair, to be honest. So, if only we could just find justice for our brothers, because all the 21 deserved to live. All the 21, they had futures. All the 21, they wanted to be something in life. And all that was cut short. So, we just need justice. Kindly. We just need justice.
No tũgũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũrehera marĩa marathiĩ na mbere igongona-inĩ rĩu rĩa kũririkana ciana iria ciakuire thukuru-inĩ ũcio wa Hillside mwena wa Endarasha. Na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua rĩu nĩ yandĩkithĩtie riboti cia mũrimũ wa mpox. Andũ atatũ nĩ manyitĩtwo nĩ mũrimũ ũyũ, kũrĩa mũrwaru ũmwe akomete